Alright, so what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking the Foxbody to get some new wheels. Oh, actually here, hold it. We're going to put these wheels on. We're going to go get tires on it. Well, we're going to go to the homie shop, bro. To the homie tire shop, but look. Sheesh. We bought these for my bro yesterday.
How much?
Huh?
How much?
I don't know, I forgot. I think like 800.
All right.
But right now we just pulled up to the homie's new shop. Okay. What's up? So if you guys need anything, like anything, pull up to the shop. I'm gonna leave it that right here. But right now we're gonna be doing the alternator on the GX. That shit is failing bad, and then some brakes. So we'll see how it comes out after. That's just pretty bad with the alternator. I turn up the what is it, epicenter? And that should just you hear that shit nasty one. Yeah, the keys.
It's inside.
Guys, so we're on the way to the tire shop right now. Taking the Foxbody. This thing is loud. I think my brother still wanna go quiet it down, but it's still loud as hell. But we'll record right now when we get to the shop. Show you guys what tires we're getting and everything. Keep you guys updated right now. This thing is chopping. To the tire shop right here with the homies rolling tires. They're the ones that did the. All right. Damn,
These are the giveaways.
These should look like they're.
These are the giveaways. Let me do what Yoshi did.
All right, bro. All right. These should look like they're gonna get dirty easily, huh? They're getting hella power.
This is
right there.
It's back here and it's already getting dusty.
Guys, so we pulled up here. Oh fuck. Everything's. Ay, güey. Pendejo. So we pulled up and they're actually doing the ram right here. Pull up. You'll see the ram. Shit, it looks a little more dropped already, but they said they're having difficulties because it's a 4x4. So it's a little more difficult. But it looks already more dropped than what it is. It doesn't look like a 5.7, but. Can you see shit?
I don't know. I can. Hold it?
Huh?
Hold it?
What do you see, mechanic?
I see the diff in the front for sure.
What do you mean? What? Oh, they're keeping it.
Oh,
they are. Oh, I'm serious.
Oh, wait.
They said they were gonna make it happen. They're dropping it with the 4x4. Look at the ram, guys. So minty. I wish we could go take this shit out to cruise already, but we gotta wait. The wheels are ready already. We're gonna need some welds for it. Oh shit, imagine there's someone in this. It looks lower, but we'll see.
They're ready?
What?
Where are we gonna pick them up?
No, they've been ready, but we can't pick them up without the truck. I want to have them with the truck like on. But yeah, guys. So right now we're gonna go eat. We're gonna see what the fuck we're gonna do, and waste some time. Meanwhile, they get the tires for this shit. Like this is how it's looking before, guys. This is how it's looking before. You guys are about to see how it looks after. So the only thing is that it looks like if we get a wider tire, the exhaust is gonna hit with it. That's what it looks like. So they might have to change the exhaust. You see it? Where it's about to hit?
I checked it already.
It looks like it's gonna hit, huh?
By a little.
By a lot of. Hey, look, I want to stamp this shit, but after we wash it, huh? We'll wash it.
After with the rims.
Yeah, we'll wash it with the rims, and we'll stamp it finally.
Sheesh, drop 10 likes if you guys want to win a tumba burro. That's the next giveaway, huh?
No, I think it's to put it on.
We're gonna give away the tumba burro.
Oh yeah, 10 likes and we give away the tumbaburros. Nah, but we have a little dilemma right now, guys. So since this truck is 4x4, we're having trouble going lower in the front. The back, we can still go way lower, but the front, that's as low as we can go. You might even have to go a little higher, honestly.
Higher?
He had marked something like that, but I have to go higher, but We don't know if to get 22s or 20s for it. No, that's his mark.
Oh shit.
Dumbass. Oh yeah, but
Some belts?
we were gonna look at the welds, but we don't know if we were gonna get 20s or 22s. So that's our little. It's not gonna be slammed no more. Cause that's how low it's gonna be. In the back you could drop it more, but not the front. So picture 20s with a good like
Fat tire.
Yeah. Skinny's in the front, fat's in the back.
Yeah. Not skinny, but
But
like
they're staggered.
Yeah, staggered. Like the Ram. You know the Ram has a 9.5, I think, or 8.5. In the back, a little 5 one. But it's 4x4, so I don't know if it's we should go like the same all around. You know?
So to drop from the front, you have to take out the 4x4 away.
Yeah, to go lower in the front, we'd have to take off the front diff and take off the 4x4.
Because the main reason we got it was because it was 4x4.
Yeah, well, not really, but yeah, really. Because we wanna get a hubcap motor for this one, so 4x4 with a hubcap motor, imagine.
Roy and Race, we're still looking at
Hey, call them out.
Bro, keep changing the music, bro. Wants to
Guys,
hear Drake again.
oh shit. So we just got a call. The car's ready, the Foxbody. So we're about to pull up right now to pick it up with the homies. So let's see how it is. How do you think it is?
Honestly, that's just gonna look chalk. That's what I think.
I seen a picture already. It looks a little gap
you
in
hating?
the back.
Why you
But we
hating?
can still drop it from
Why
the back.
you hating?
Alright, buddy.
It honestly does not look that bad. Bro.
Oh, is this one right here? Oh! This one right here. This is red car right here. Yup, look at that shit. That shit's
Look at the
clean.
suspension. It's gonna be flush.
Sheesh. Oh, look, it actually looks clean. Hold it. We need a. Alright.
Dude, that
Watch
does
her.
not look bad, man.
It looks clean, man.
Hell yeah, man. That looks good, man. This is fun.
Guys, so it didn't pass smog. I don't know why. I think there's something wrong with the engine or something. I don't know.
It moves a lot with it. Probably.
Whenever I turn it on, they should start shaking and making weird noises. These are the rims, guys. I think we could drop it like an inch from the back so it could sit perfectly. It has like a 3-finger gap. So we'll drop it off with the homie ER, the one that's doing the Bronco. See if we can work on it. He does a lot of these cars, so these rims are looking sick as fuck. I like them. It barely clears the exhaust. Yo, over here. Guys, we're putting the placazo on the. You wanna peel it? Honestly, it was just 2 of us, so we didn't know if it was straight or not. But YOLO, we got enough. Other ones, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Like
yapping.
Smells like that booth.
You smoke, bro? Stop cap.
Sober life, happy life.
Stop cap.
No cap. Honestly, I think my side is lower than yours, but that's why I told you to keep going lower.
I don't know, that shit looks straight. That shit looks straight.
What do you guys think? Drop it down in the comments. I think that shit fits with the cargo. Hey, let's go right here in the back of Ross to take some flicks of it. Oh, it's in the tire shop.
What do you mean?
The other group. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Just a little short video of us taking this car to get some new rims, some new tires, giving it a fresh look, because this thing hasn't been touched in months, since we gave it to my brother pretty much. So we came out, actually we're gonna drop it off tomorrow, but that's not really much content, but we're gonna drop it off tomorrow to get, it's gonna get smogged, and it's gonna get like a checkup, like check if it's good, everything is good, and tires. Hey lady, come on, let's go. Damn.
No saben cómo manejar por acá.
Huh?
No saben cómo manejar por acá.
But yeah guys, so stay tuned for the next vlog. Next vlog's gonna be at Truckin Madness, which is this Saturday, and we're gonna be there. So we're gonna have most of the trucks there. Maybe just not the Bronco, and maybe not one other truck, but we'll see. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Hope you guys like this one.